ReQuiz review, solving square root equations, problems 7 and 8. You want to isolate the radical, that's your first step. Here is the radical. You'll notice in front there is a -6. We need to get rid of that -6. It's -6 times the radical, so the opposite of multiplying is to divide. So we're going to divide by -6 on each side. And so that's going to leave you with the square root of 101n minus 1 equals 10. Then after that, the radical is isolated. You need to get rid of that. The opposite of square rooting is to square. So we're going to square each side. When you square a radical, the radical goes away and we're left with 101n minus 1 equals, and then we have to square the 10. 10 squared is 100. And then we're just going to solve for n. I'm going to add 1 to each side. That gives me 101n equals 101. Then divide by 101, and n will equal 1, which is the correct answer. For this number 8, we have -5 times the square root of 6 minus n equals -10. So we want to get rid of that multiplication first. We're going to divide by -5. And that leaves us with the square root of 6 minus n equals 2. Then we need to square each side. That gives us 6 minus n equals 4. We'll subtract 6 from each side. -n equals -2. Divide by -1. N will equal 2.